Wednesday, June the 5th, 2024. It is 7:08 in the AM. As I say, it's a bit of a chilly wind. A chilly breeze, should I say. It's like October, November kind of morning. But who cares about that? I'm going to wander down here and see what's going on today. Oh yes. Aye. So the temperature, it definitely can't be in double figures. I would say it's about 4 or 5 degrees. 6 maybe, pushing it. A wee chill in that wind. But we'll venture on. As long as that rain stays away for a wee while. At least we'll get some movies done. Yeah! Get some filming done. Ooh. Uh-huh. So, technical stuff. Well, the last video uploaded, I think that was the birds and the bees and something. Well, that was filmed at 25 frames per second. I didn't like it. No. So we're back to 50 frames per second. Cinema mode is vivid. So this should be better. We'll see. Aye, 50s were standard, that's what I usually use. Aye, it's cold. I feel my fingers cold. Feel it in my fingers. Oh my god. Wet. Ah, shit band. Yep. Right. Let's see what's going on today. Ooh. Right, do you want to see some creatures? Oh yeah. Yep. It's looking lively down here after all the rain. It's all looking rather fresh. Fresh as a bright blue sky. Oh. Aye. Chilly fingers. Stiff little fingers. I don't know what I'm saying now. I'm just rabbiting on. You're sprouting up now. Yes. Quiet at the pond. I think the rain's on its way. Surprise, surprise. And that's the rain. Well, it's been a while since I've been down here when it's been raining, so can't complain. Besides, we're in Scotland. What do you expect? Can't get too much sunshine. Oh no. What's happening in this wee pond? Where's all the frogs, man? Where's those goddamn frogs? Amphibians. Are they amphibians or reptiles? Oh, birds are still twittering. Twitter. Well, it all seems to be very, very quiet. Don't think the weather's helping. But there's not much happening. What's happened here? Ooh. Strange. Maybe some drunk guys fell into it. Oh no, here's another bit squished. Maybe ducks. Another bit. What's going on here? Scaring all the bees away. What's happening? What are you doing? Leave them bees alone. Yep, it's a bit windy. I think it's going to be showery all day by the looks of it. But what the hell? What the hell? We'll continue. There's a quiet place. It's getting overgrown. But it's still quiet. Oh, it's lovely when the sun's out. Yeah. Very nice. Looks like a place from fairy tales. The Brothers Grimm. Grim, it's grim up north. Shit. Yep. Very quiet. Guys, talking to this wee guy. We are here. Yep. Got some communication going on. Well, went to the dentist yesterday. Kept my appointment. Oh, I was pretty nervous in the waiting room. Thinking maybe they forgot about me. I could just get home. But nope. Shouted in, dun dun dun. But it was alright. Because the dentist told me, we're just going to take impressions today. I said, well, that's fantastic, Miss Moneypenny. That shaves me worry. And she just looked at me. But aye. So I was only in 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Back out. Yo! I'll not be laughing the next time, but there'll be work being done. But I'll still be going. 19th of June. I'll be there. Yep. get it sorted. Right, this is the spider bench. I don't think they like the rain. They'll be hiding somewhere in their webs. The webs. No, the internet. I mean, spiders' webs. Nope. That looks lovely. But I think it's going to be a showery day. So once I'm done here, it's a day for the house. I shall be lounging and munching and reading, and that's about it. Sounds like a plan. I'm getting into the routine now. Up at 6:15 AM, get exercises done, get a bite to eat, and then come down here. Or don't come down here, but do something. Aye, good to get into a routine. Remember Arnold Schwarzenegger saying, get up, exercise, then think. Which is right enough. So if you get up, do your exercises, then have something to eat. Definitely feels a lot clearer in the head, or the brain. Well, it works for me. Aye. Exercise. It's pretty quiet. That is very quiet. So, after I leave the nature trail, I need to hit Aldi's, get a wee loaf, and this might be the last loaf I'll buy, because tomorrow I'm going to get some plain flour, some wholemeal flour, some yeast. I'm going to start baking again, baking some bread. Yeah, I've got a wee loaf tin. Well, I've got all the baking stuff, but just make a wee loaf myself. That'll be plenty. Save a lot of money. I've not done any baking since my mum went away, so I get back into it. I just like baking and cooking stuff. Well, I still cook stuff obviously for my dinner, but I'm going to start making apple pies and that. I even made Cullen skink soup. That was beautiful, even if I do say so myself. Lovely soup. I need to start making stuff again. Get back into the baking, man. No bacon, rashers bacon, baking, ing. Aye. So I'll be getting the flour and that tomorrow. I'll maybe put some pictures up of my baking skills. Or non-skills, I should say. Aye. It's a good hobby, into baking. I'll not be making much apple pies or anything like that, because I'm not really a pudding lover. And it'd just go to waste. definitely making some bread, some rolls, naan breads, stuff like that. They're always handy to have. Oh yeah! Well guys, it is 8:02 in the AM. Very quiet day, but still, it's the exercise that counts. That's the main thing. Still a hell of a breeze here. It's breezy. It's breezy, man. Anywho, oh, food. What am I having today? Oh, I'm going for a loaf at Aldi's. That's why I'm going to get a wee bit of roasted cheese, some black pepper on top. That will be lovely. Anywho, you take care, stay safe, cherish your loved ones, and that'll be me saying chicka 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 choo out. Hello. Here comes a tractor. Good morning. It's Thursday, 6th of June 2024, 6:47 in the AM. And it's another dull Scottish weather day. Oh no, it's not. It's beautiful. Look at this. Oh yeah. Yep. Lovely. And I think it's Lanimer's Day in Lanark today. So, happy Lanimer's Day, whatever you're up to up there. And I'm strolling back from the law towards Carluke. It's a beautiful morning. Absolutely lovely morning. Look at this. Huh? Yep. Fantastic. Well, dull clouds approaching, but hey, we don't care about that. Hee hee. Beautiful morning. Rise up, get up, go out and walk. Well, if you can walk. If not, just enjoy the day. Because it's beautiful. Oh, got a nice tree. Yep. That'll do nicely. Yeah. That clouds go away. Yep. Beautiful morning. Absolutely lovely. This guy's doing a bit of twittering, top of the pole. Let's check him out. Cool. There's the early morning workers. Get to work. Never mind stalling about chit-chatting. Get to work. Get the trucks on the road, man. Aye. Stalling about there at this time in the morning. What's that? Okay, serious time. Because Latimer's Day means, oh well, a lot of roads going towards Lanark will be closed down. So that means other roads will be busy. Like this one. Oh yeah. Careful, careful. Hop! Onto the curb. See? Busy, busy, busy. Oh yeah. Very busy. Oh shit, man. Get out of the way. Crazy people. Crazy drivers. Oh yeah. Mind you, they're probably saying, who's that idiot walking that curbside with a camera and talking to himself? It's me! Hi there! Yep, busy, busy, busy. Oh yeah. Watch behind you. There's another one. Yep, that's a busy road. It's going to get busier. Oh yeah. Oh, Bushy Road. 800 meters. Oh. Good morning. Morning. Yeah. Right, there's a lot of cars going a little bit fast, so this lamppost, I'm going to cross over and I'm going to stand and point my camera at the traffic, the oncoming traffic, just to see if I think about be a speed cap. And as soon as I see it, there's no traffic. Just to see if they slowed in or not. Here we come. Right, let's see. Yeah, they're slowing down a bit. Yeah, look at this. Slow down, get my camera. See these two here? They're going to slow. Yeah. Oh yeah. No. Health and safety. Oh, here comes the van, the white van man. Slow down. Yeah. Yep. Good morning. Right, let's watch them coming round off the roundabout and we'll see them because it's like they can accelerate to you. Oh, and it goes quiet. Because they come off the roundabout and they see a straight bit of road. Yeah. Put the foot down. Oh, guy with camera. Right. Slow down, right? Yep. Check your speed. Yes. Drive safely. It's only a guy with a camera. Yep. Whoop. 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 Yep. They seriously slowed down coming out that roundabout. I'm right at a roundabout right now. As soon as you see the microphone on top of the camera, they're like, oh, is that a speed camera? No! It's certainly not a speed camera. Oh, look at this. Whoa! What the hell is going on here? Shit! Yeah, reduce your speed now. Oh yeah. Yep. The guy with a camera. Oh my God. You better slow down. Yes. Stick to the speed limits. Okay. And that includes you, South Lanarkshire Council. Oh yeah. They're watching. Big Brother's watching. What's this noise? Approaching. Oh, it's Home Bargains. Yep. Slow down. Turn your music down. It's crap. Only rock and roll should be played loud. Right, stand at the roundabout. Just make sure they're all behaving themselves. Audi. Yep. Yes. Watch your speed. The power of the camera. Crazy. That was the police. They slowed down too. Well, they would, wouldn't they? Maybe. The police. Okay, let's pan round this way. Look at the morning sky. Beautiful. Yeah. Is that a traffic cop standing there? Nah, it's just me. 20's plenty. Yep. Home Bargains. Right. Here's a roundabout. What's going on here? Watch that guy with the camera. Yep. Watch your speed. That's it. Careful, careful. Yep. Yeah, it's only a camera with a microphone, but car drivers are like, oh, is that a speed detection gun? No, ain't got no guns. Only guns I got is Guns N' Roses albums, man. Right, careful. Rattle, rattle. Yep. Careful. Don't watch me, watch the road. I'm just guy with the camera. You keep your eyes on the road, man. Oh dear. Is this guy approaching a bit fast? Is he going to slow down? Yeah, he's going to slow down. Take your time. You'll get there. Yes, indicate. Mr. Lifestyle Van. Truck. Right, watch the road, don't watch me. For goodness sake, man. Can't you drive? Yep. Taxi. Watch the road. Jeez, man. These people know how to drive. Yep. Here we go. Right. Take it easy. Right. Careful. From this direction, right, they come kind of quick. Slow down. Yep. And this way. Watch your speed. Yep. Slow down. Yep. Watch the road, idiot. Right. Why are they looking at me? I'm just a guy with a camera. Watch the road. You're driving on the road. Watch the road. Jeez, man. Right, see what's going on here. Right, I'll stand here just at the... just as I approach round the corner. Oh, he's going nice speed, that's cool. Nice one. Yep. That'll do it. Watch the road. Baldy. Well, I can't say baldy, I'm baldy, but... What's you doing standing here with a camera? I'm just standing here with a camera. You're exactly right. Oh dear. Must be early in the morning. So from this spot, you see him come round the bend and over the brow of the hill. Oh! Big flash Range Rover coming out. Careful. Oh, drastic speed reduction there. Right, careful, careful. Careful, don't do it, don't do it. The flash, do it, on you go. Right, you're fine. massive speed reduction there with the van. SP Energy Works. Yep. Keep your speed down. Thank you. You're welcome. Good motorcyclist. Twenty's plenty. Oh, slow down. First aid. Oof. Yeah, we got a wave. Cool. That's good. Wow. He sounded quite loud there approaching, but he slowed right down now. What the hell was that? Oh, big truck coming. Yeah, slow down. That'll do it. Why don't you watch the road? Don't watch a guy with a camera. Here's a nice wee spot. A couple of clips. Yep. Right. Now, I can guarantee that some motorist will be phoning the police. There's a guy filming at the side of the road. He's got a camera. Oh yes. Let's get him. He's dangerous. Dangerous camera. Oh, is this doing a U-turn here? Right. Watch the road, don't watch me. Jesus, man. Can these people drive? Should they be on the road? Let's chill here for a wee second. See what's happening. It's at the jam factory. It's not a traffic jam. Just a jam factory. Careful. Watch the road. Jesus, man. What are these people drinking? Are they drinking? They should be drinking highway code. On the road with highway code. Ooh. Chemicals. Slow chemicals. Watch the road, idiot. Don't watch me. Wow. I'm going to zoom in a wee bit and see if you can see the faces of people watching me instead of watching the road. Right. There's another one. Who's watching the road? Watch the road, man. Here we go. Baker. Excellent. Eyes on the road. Now this truck looks like a Bon Jovi song. Bon Jovi's pretty shit, but can you see this song in this truck? Always. Okay, bad joke, but hey, it's just after 8 o'clock in the morning. Give us a break. There we go. Keep your eyes on the road. Right, quick slow down there. Just adjusting the zoom on the camera. See the top of the traffic lights? Camera. Camera. There's cameras everywhere. Camera. 2 cameras. But you see a guy at the side of the road with a camera with a microphone on it that looks like a squirrel. There's reflection. Looks like a squirrel's tail. They're like, oh my god, what's he doing? Just standing with a camera. Using the camera for the reason it was built. Okay, I'll walk away from here because there's a nursery at the corner. So walk away from that. Round here. And there we go. See how fast they pull away from the lights. Why not? The camera was made to take pictures. Well, moving pictures, still pictures. So, in a public place, we can film. Yes, watch the road. Yes, take left if you want. Yes, carry on. Fine. Watch the road, watch the lights, don't watch the guy with the camera. Hey, Mr. Mercedes, you can't stop there. Oh, no, 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 not allowed. No, can't stop there, pal. Look. Not allowed. And you, Mr. Peugeot. We can see you. Look. Not allowed. Why you stop there? Not allowed. Look. Keep clear. That's why you've got painting on the road. Do you know the highway code? No? You'll get off the road then, idiot. Jesus, man. Oh. This is nearly as much fun as doing the nature trail. Well, I don't know if you think it's fun, but I do. Who else is going to stop in the not allowed place? Oh, there you go. There's another one. Oh, dearie, dearie, dear. Well, you should all be made to sit your test again. Right. It's clearly stated on the road. It's like, oh, it's a bit faded, fair enough, but entrance, keep clear. Nah, don't need to keep clear. Why should I? Can't you see the signs? It's all faded away, man. Aye. Oh, what a look I got there. I wish I got that in camera. There, Rollis. Oh, what are you looking at? Man with the camera. What's he doing? He's using his camera to film stuff, which is why it was made. It's a camera. Let's get a view of the bunting. Commit Gala Day on Saturday. Lionel's Day today, but that's Lanark. But it's Commit on Saturday. The Gala Day. It's still nice weather. It's lovely. So far. That can change at any time. And a nice little bit of nature to end this piece. So, you take care, stay safe, cherish your loved ones, and that'll be me saying, ho 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 ho, drive carefully.